Suppose you are given a data set of a few countries that participated in the Summer Olympics in the year 2012 and a list of how many gold, silver, and bronze medals they won. You can then use the argmax method to find the country with the highest number of gold medals. Use the Boolean indexing method to find out how many countries won more than 20 gold medals. You can create a for loop to print out the medal tally for each country. This loop will run iteratively over the entire list of countries and their medals and print out the desired output. Let us now quickly recap what we have learned in this lesson. NumPy is a very powerful Python library for mathematical and scientific computing. You can create and print NumPy array using different methods. Arrays can be one-dimensional, two-dimensional, three-dimensional, or multi-dimensional. NumPy uses basic operations, data access techniques, and copy and view techniques for data wrangling. NumPy can also manipulate data using various array shape manipulation techniques. NumPy can perform linear algebra functions to fix problematic datasets and execute mathematical operations. This concludes the lesson Mathematical Computing with Python, NumPy. The next lesson will discuss Scientific Computing with Python, SciPy.